this is Alisa. Today I will introduce you our 4D HIFU machine about how to do the treatment by this machine. You see this is two handles for 4D HIFU. This is the small handle and the big handle. As you know, HIFU machine has some limitation area on face. So you can use the pen type handle to do the limitation area and the big handle for the normal area. Okay, we can see the screen. You will see there are some interface. This one is for the small handle and this one is for the big handle. 你能看见屏幕吗? Okay, we check the small one first. This is the interface for the small handle, and here is the energy, this is the frequency. When you do the treatment, we suggest you to use 2 and 2. So energy starts from 2, and the frequency starts from 2. And if your client do not feel anything, you can add the energy and the frequency one by one. Okay? Then this is the interface for the big handlepiece. Here you can adjust the width, clearance, length, and pitch for the treatment area and the energy here. You will see this is the width and the clearance. For the clearance, we suggest you to use 1.5. This is the suggestion parameter, and the pitch also 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. And for the width, you can use 11, and the length, use 25. This is the suggestion parameter. You can use this parameter to do all kinds of client on face, the treatment. And the power, for power, it is different for different depth cartridge, because you will got 3 big cartridge from 1.5, 3, and 4.5. This is big cartridge. And here you will got also 3 small one, 1.5, 3, and 4.5. For the big cartridge, start from 4.5, 1 gel from 4.5 cartridge. Okay. And then here you will see the parameter you use and how many line you have for this cartridge and how many you still have now. And here you have M1, M2, 3, 4, 5 special mode for the treatment. You see, after I click M1, the parameter here is 11, 21, 1.1, 1.2. And after you click M2, now the parameter is 8, 1.3, 1.3, 24. So for each mode, they have a special setting of the parameters you can use to do different treatment part or different client. For example, you click M1, and this parameter is for your, for example, Mary. Mary is your client, and she comes to your spa every week. So you can save the parameter for her as M1. And then after Mary come here to do the treatment, you can just click M1 and start the treatment. Okay, then click here to start or stop the treatment. And here you have 2 different treatment modes, slow mode and fast mode. The difference is how quickly the point come out. If you choose slow mode, the point will come out very slow. If you click fast, the treatment time is less than the slow mode. So normally slow mode is more suitable for the more sensitive client. Okay. And before the treatment, you need to prepare the cooling gel and also a pen to draw the line on face. Okay, now we will do the treatment on our model. Before we start the treatment, we need to draw a line on face. The first area at the corner of the mouth, 1 centimeter here. This is the first limitation area. It is same with the other side. 1 centimeter. Okay, this is the first. And the second one, find the bone. Okay, this is the second area. And also same with the other side. Then at the middle of the forehead. Okay, now we finish the limitation area. These two and these two and this one. This is the area for the small handlepiece, for this handlepiece. Okay, and then you need to remember the area here, this area is forbidden area. You cannot do any treatment on this area, also on the nose. It is dangerous to do the HIFU treatment on these two areas, so we do not do treatment here. Okay, after you finish draw the line, we apply some cooling gel. When you do the treatment, we suggest you do half of whole face first. After you finish this face and take a picture to your client, then your client will see the difference between like before and after. Okay, then after you apply the cooling gel, you can start the treatment. And for each kind of treatment, we use the small handlepiece first. Click back, please see the screen. Click back and click the small one. Add the energy and the frequency. Sorry. For all the energy, we adjust to 2 and 2 and click start. Okay. And please remember, when you do the treatment, we use 4.5 first. We use 4.5 small cartridge first to do the limitation area. Okay, when you do the treatment, we use the way it's named circle. Circle on the treatment, on the limitation area. What's your feeling? No? My client do not feel anything, so I will start to add the energy to 3 and 3. 有感觉了吗？有没有？ You can keep to add the energy until your client has some like needle feeling or a little hot inside of the skin. Then you find the suitable energy. And you can keep to circle on one area about 1 minute or 2 minutes. And after you finish the first one area, we come to the second one. And please be careful. It is not allowed to use 4.5 and 3 at the area below the eye. We only can treat here. So this area only allowed to treat by 1.5. Okay. 有感觉吗？ Also this, please, we keep to move about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, then the third, the place here. My client feel more sensitive here, so I reduce the energy. Because our forehead is very sensitive, so you can use lower energy. 怎么样现在？ Okay, also 1 to 2 minutes here. Then we finish the first depth of 4.5. And then we need to change the small contact cartridge to 3, to this one, to the 3.0, and to do the same treatment on this place again, to do about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, and after 3, you can start to do the 1.5. So all the depths is from 4.5, then 3, then 1.5. This is the producer you need to follow. And normally we do not suggest you to finish all depths of small one. We suggest you to use the small one 4.5, then use the big one 4.5, then come back to use the 3 small one and use the 3 big one. So for now, I will change to the big cartridge, 4.5. 4.5, the big one. And the parameter, we use the parameter we said just now, 1.5, 1.5. And for this, start from 1. Okay. Okay, then you can click this button to start the treatment. Please be careful, only allowed to do the treatment on the normal area, not the limitation area. So we put the cartridge on. You will see the treatment area here. This is the treatment area. Only this area have shots. This area is no shots. So you can follow this area. 往这录一点，然后看一下。And on the face, you know this is the limitation area, and my area is near the limitation area. Okay, click. Come and you will see on the screen, there have 11 lines, and all the line is finished one by one. You need to put the cartridge on the face until the machine finished all the line, then you finish the first place treatment. Okay, now we finish this one please, and then move to another one and click again.
我也现在知道了。
先不要录屏幕吗？我关一下机。And this is the normal area we use, named step by step. It's like step, 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 step. Then you finish the whole area once time. Then we suggest you to treatment on the same area twice. So after you finish the first time, you need to come again and use the 4.5 to do the same treatment on this area. Then you finish the 4.5 big cartridge. Okay? And then, as we said before, after you finish this cartridge, you can start from 3, the pen type cartridge on the limitation area. And after you finish all the area, you will start again with the big cartridge 3.0 to do the same treatment on this area until you finish the 1.5. So totally, you need to use the big handle piece to do 6 times treatment on this area, twice for 4.5, twice for 3, and twice for 1.5. Also, 1 to 2 minutes by 4.5 on the limitation area, the pen type handle piece, and 3 and 1.5. This is the producer. And here I will also teach you, because most of our clients it's the first time to do the HIFU treatment, so we also have a more easy way to do the treatment. Is to draw the treatment area on face. I will teach you how to draw that. First, you need to find the draw line here. This is the bone. And then you need to take one cartridge. Take one big cartridge. As I said before, this is the treatment area. So you put this area, one line on the limitation area line, and the other line, we draw one line here and move. Put these 2 lines together and draw one line. Then move. Okay. And then you put the cartridge this side on this line and draw one line on this side. Then move, put this side on this line and draw one line here. Move, because this is near to the eye, so we only up to here. So now you got 3 lines, and we draw all the lines together. Also, this area is limitation area, this 3 area. So now you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 treatment area. Then when you do the treatment, You only need to put the cartridge on the first one, then finish one shot and move to second one, third, fourth. After you finish this 9 place and come again, use same depth to do it again, then you finish this cartridge. Okay, this is the how to draw the line. After you're familiar with the treatment, you can do the treatment like me. Do not need to draw the line. You can control the area you want to treat on. Okay, this is the whole producer for HIFU machine. And please remember, after the treatment, it is not allowed to use hot water or use your hand to wash your face. The face needs to how to say that? It's better to use some cold water or have more face mask to give some water to your skin. And also about the treatment time, we suggest the client to do it every month for the HIFU treatment. But for most of clients, if they do not have higher requirements for the treatment, you can do it every 3 months. And we suggest, because for the clinic and spa you need to earn money, so we suggest you to provide your client as a package treatment, like 4 times as one session. So your client need to come to you every month or every 3 months, then you can keep your client and earn more money. Okay? Then if you have any question, you can leave your message here. Okay, bye bye. 结束了吗？